The sealing discs of the GS1 sliding gate valve series can be replaced quickly and easily. To get this done, you'll need a clean cloth and cleaning agent, an Allen key, a function unit, a replacement seal, and a vise with smooth jaws or jaw protectors. First, turn off the power and compressed air. Make sure that the valve has fully reached its safety position. And note it for later comparison. Using the Allen key, first loosen the retaining screw at the bottom of the valve. Then, just press the function unit out of the body from behind by giving it a little pressure. Now, just screw the retaining screw all the way in to push the seal residue out off the thread. Then, give the sealing surfaces in the body a good clean with a cloth and suitable cleaning agent. When the dirt and adhesions have been fully removed, unscrew the retaining screw. Now, take the new function unit. If you push the two sealing discs slightly apart, they can be easily put into the body. Next, clamp the valve in the vise at a slight angle to secure the function unit. Insert the small graphite seal into the open threaded hole. Tighten the retaining screw by hand, then loosen it slightly before tightening it again to properly compress the seal. Finally, check that the valve's safety position is the way it should be. If it is, the valve is ready to be put back in line again.